Hi, I'm Kayleigh from Kanvas Medical Group, and today I'm going to be doing a botulinum toxin treatment. And for botulinum toxin, you need to be able to mix it with a bacteriostatic saline. So the product we use is Torbac. This is a prescription item, and you're going to be using 1 ampule per client to mix up your botulinum toxin. This bacteriostatic saline means that you can keep your botulinum toxin static and bacteria-free in the fridge for up to 3 weeks, so you can still use the same prescription for your client's top-up in 2 weeks' time. So, because Torbac is in a glass ampule, when you break this top section, there is potential for small shards of glass to end up in the solution. So in order to draw it up, we use a filter needle. That will stop any glass coming into the syringe that you're about to apply to the Botox. So, I would first connect my syringe to my filter needle. So that's ready to go. Place your thumb on this part of the ampule where there's a red dot. It shows you the weakest part of the glass so that you're able to get a clean break like this. Now for 50 units of Botox, we're going to draw up 1.25 mils of Torbac. Just going to make sure there's no bubbles in there so that we get an accurate reading. And we have 1.25. You're now going to change the filter needle for a mixing needle, which is the one I'm using here is a 21G needle. So I'm going to change the needle on the top of the syringe. Now any glass that was captured in here is not going to be part of your treatment because we're going to discard that needle and use this one to mix the Botox. Very superficial. And another 5 reconstituted units. And again, we've got the paling on the skin. Stretch the skin and very superficially place the bevel of the needle under the skin and push marking away. If I can get you to turn your face slightly, that's perfect. And stretch that skin and superficially